Okay, hey y'all, so since you have asked, I will deliver. So my last video with this wig, I did body wave curls. So I'm going to show you how to do those today in the easiest way possible, because I'm a hairdresser and it literally took me about 2 years to learn how to do curls properly. I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to learn how to do body wave curls at home in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so first things first, bring all your hair to the front. Now, I've done this process already, but what you're going to have to do is, want to achieve the exact same look as me, you're going to have to cut yourself some layers. It's not as hard as it seems, but do not go scissor happy, because once you cut your hair, it is off. Like, once you cut it off, it's off. You're going to go diagonally like this, and you're going to pull the hairs like this. So make a diagonal, do a middle part, then diagonally go across. Okay, you're going to pull this forward like this, scissors, and you're going to go diagonal like so. Obviously, I'm not going to do it again, but you're going to go diagonally like this. Stop maybe here and leave the length, because you don't want to ruin the density of your wig. You don't want to cut your layers off, because even though I've cut layers for a middle part, with this, I can still do a side part. I can still do half up, half down. You don't want to cut too much to where you just fucked up your wig and you have no hair left. Okay? Your wig is sewn on in weave tracks, okay? So you're going to feel the wig and you're going to go to the last track like this. You can see this at the back. I've just used this track here, run my finger across. I'm going to separate this up here and I'm just going to deal with this back bit. And you're going to do that every 2 layers. Then you're gonna brush this, and I always just basically part it in the middle and bring it to both sides. Don't try and do a side section and the back section, because then you're gonna stress yourself out and you're just gonna be fucked up. Please use a hot comb. If not, use a straightener. You cannot curl your hair as it is like this, because when you curl it, it will have the bumps from the previous curls. You have to hot comb it straight, or you have to straighten it or blow dry it, but it has to be straight. You cannot curl your hair like this. If you have a hot comb, I just go like this and I bend it so that the hot comb is like leaning on the hair, and pull it through slowly, just so you can make sure that the heat is actually taking. You see how it's like ripply hair, it's straight hair. Before you do a piece of hair, you have to straighten it, okay? I'm only telling you that because I never used to straighten my hair. I just used to curl it straight and it looked like shit. So just do this slowly. So now I'm going to show you how to do the curls. If you have a curler with a clamp, it's a lot more ideal to achieve this look. If you don't have a curler with a clamp, you can still achieve this look, but you just have to do it without the clamp. So I'm going to show you both ways, but I'm going to do it with the clamp, but I am going to show you how to do it without the clamp, okay? So pull your hair straight, and the clamp is going to go at the bottom of the hair, okay? You're going to then turn it upwards. So you flick your wrist upwards away from your face, pull it down while the hair is still in the clamp, and then you have to catch it at the end like this and then roll it back. Do not let it come out of the curl. Now, instead of doing it this way, I'm doing it this way to keep the hair straight, and you're going to do it all the way like this. Normally with a curler, they come with some heat-proof gloves. If you have heat-proof gloves, it's a lot easier, but I can do it because I have my nails on, so my skin is not touching it. You're going to hold it like this, grab it from the top like this, grab it like this so that the hair doesn't come away, and pull it off. Okay, pull it off like this. Then you're going to get your clip, which I don't have out. I should have had my clips out already. Shout out to Cantu for giving me these clips. And you're going to put it at the bottom, at the back of the... Don't do it here on this side, do it on this side, okay? Put it in and clamp it, okay? And you're going to do that the whole way until you get to your lace, because you have to go a different direction at the top to achieve the curtains. This is only for the back. So for the back, you go away from your face. For the front, you go towards your face. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to achieve the same curls if you don't have a clamp, if you have a curler without the clamp. So ignore the clamp for a second, ignore it. You're going to, again, so instead of putting your clamp under, because you don't have a clamp, you're just going to put the barrel itself on top of the hair, and you're going to wrap it, but make sure it's flat. So make sure the hair is flat. Don't let the hair be like twisted like this, because it's not going to work. Make sure it's all facing the same way, flat, and twist it. And then push it to the top, twist it, push it to the top, twist it, push it to the top, twist it, hold it. And then again, hopefully you get some heat-proof gloves, okay? But because you don't have a clamp, you're going to have to do this with your hands. So you need heat-proof gloves if you definitely don't have a clamp. Like this. It's not going to be all in one. So you have to then push it with your own finger like this and pin it. So this is how you're looking. Up until you get to the lace, you're gonna do the same method, okay? So now I'm at the top. I've done all the sides. I literally just have the crown of my lace. So what you're gonna do now, put the curler to the side for the second. You have to hot comb your front part, okay? So make sure that this top bit is hot combed flat, okay? Just the top bit. Hot comb these again to make sure they're straight. Also as well, when you do your curls, start from the bottom to the top, so that when you do the top, that's the last bit you do. There's no point doing the top because you have to just do it the other way. Okay, so this is the important part to get your curtain bangs at the front. This is a medium size barrel. I have a wide one. Look, this is a wide one. Do not use this, okay? Even if you do wide curls, still use a medium barrel for your curtains, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your clamp on top this time. Instead of underneath, it's gonna be on top. Push it away from you and roll it towards your face rather than away from your face, like this. You then pull it off of your curler and you're gonna pin it at the top like this, and do the same on the other side. So again, do it towards your face like this. Hold it for about maybe 10 seconds. You're gonna hold it for, and then I can just slide it off like this. You get your pin. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna put this one because it's a very light spray, so I'm gonna put it on all over. Make sure you get every single curl like this. If you have time, leave it. Do what you're doing until you're ready to go out. Leave it for an hour or two and then brush it out. When you brush it out, you spray this to hold the curls. If you don't have time, you can hair dry it, okay? I have some errands to run, so I'm gonna leave it in. I'm gonna go run my errands and then come back and okay, so it's been about 45 minutes, about an hour. We're going to take the pins out, but make sure you take it out like this and let the curl fall the right way. Because if this was to have fallen this way, it would have just messed up. So you have to make sure it falls the right way. Make sure it goes the right way. And you can kind of see already that these bottom curls are going to go out like this when they're brushed out, okay? Guys, I did that boohoo man thing, and when we was cleaning up, I was putting the weights away, and I lifted up a 20 kg weight with one hand, and my shoulder is literally like messed up so bad. It's hurting so bad. Like it's hurting for me to take these pins out. That's how bad it is. But let it fall this way, and you're gonna go from the top, not the bottom. You're gonna go from the top and get as much as you can and brush it all the same way, because you want it all to kind of flow the same way. And brush it down and then kind of bounce it up, bounce the curls up and give it that volume. So just pull it backwards and then you can kind of twist it, play with it, and you see how that looks. So again, on the other side, pull it down all together, pull it down all the way, as much as you can, as much hair as one time, so that all the curls, then you lift it back up, pull it away from you, boom, let it bounce. Let it bounce. Okay, so this is how the bottom of your hair is looking. You kind of want to make it even on both sides, so just kind of play with it until you like the bounce. So now we get to the front bit, which we curled forwards. So we're gonna take them out. Oh, fucked up with that one, because you have to make the curls go this way, like this. So make sure your curls go backwards instead of forwards. So that's a mistake that can happen. You just push it back the other way. So like this, push it back the other way, thank you, and that's what you do. Okay, now it looks like this. You kind of see the vision already. Then you get your comb again at the top, push it down. It will look like this. You have to then use your hand and flick it to where you want it to go. You can kind of play with it, you know. You can bring it up if you want it up, let it to fall in your face like this, you know, and then we'll just play with it. Well, it's where I want it to be. And then if it's like this, you can just clip it like this with the pin, hold it down, spray it, and then when you take the clip out, it will stay. Ooh, it would stay, because straight away like this, like you don't like it like this, it's giving too much. You need to put it in the right. Okay, so this is on 210 degrees, and I'm literally just gonna hot comb the front bit. Stop at the curls. You see that? Stop at your curls, because there's no point doing all that curl just for you to hot comb it straight. So stop at your curl. Okay, stop at your curl, okay? Now you can just brush that back in a minute, but you just hot comb your sides to make sure it's all flat. I like my hair to be to my head, so kind of even on both sides. I'm trying not to move until I hairspray it. And then I'm gonna get the ultra hold. So I used the light spray before. This is a lot thicker spray. It will hold my curls no matter the weather. So try not to get it in your eye, because I've made that mistake before. Right everywhere. Play with it too much. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. If you don't get it your first time, don't be discouraged, because it took me like 2 years to figure this out. And I watched so many YouTube tutorials, whatever, they're shit. I feel like this is the best video I've seen and I made it. So this should help you guys. This is my company, BRIKKYHAIR. Obviously, I do hair. So if you're from Manchester and you can't be asked to do all of this, make sure you book me. You get a free wig band after your install. And then we're just gonna take these wig bands off. I have 2 wig bands on right now. You only need 1, but I was just feeling, you know, a bit extra secure. And then just do your little finishing touches with your parting, just to make it a bit more defined. And boom. Ready to go. These curls ain't going nowhere. Go to the back, to the front, 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 to the back, to the front. And they're here, obviously. Lip gloss babes, your wig is gonna get caught in your lip gloss, but at least your curls are not gonna get ruined. Thanks for watching and good luck, guys. Mwah.